Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Chrysler 300 bumper. First, gather your essential tools: a trim tool, a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension. Before you start, it's a good idea to disconnect any wiring harnesses for components like fog lights or side markers. Next, locate and carefully remove the 4 plastic push pins situated along the top edge of the bumper. This initial step helps loosen the top section. Moving on, you'll find 3 push pins inside each wheel well that need to be removed. After that, look for a 10mm bolt at each corner of the bumper, securing it to the fender. Take those out. Finally, get under the vehicle to remove the push pins and any 7mm or 10mm bolts holding the belly pan in place. This pan often covers the lower part of the bumper and engine area. With all the fasteners removed, the bumper should now be ready for detachment. Gently pull the bumper straight forward and away from the vehicle. Be mindful of any remaining electrical connections, such as those for fog lights, and disconnect them as the bumper comes loose. Once completely free, carefully place the bumper onto a soft surface, like a blanket or cardboard, to protect it from any scratches or damage. To reinstall your Chrysler 300 bumper, simply reverse the removal steps. Carefully align the bumper, ensuring all tabs and mounting points are correctly seated. Reattach all the 10mm bolts, 7mm bolts, and push pins, making sure they are secure. Don't forget to reconnect all electrical harnesses for your fog lights and side markers before fully securing the bumper. This ensures everything functions correctly. For more helpful tips and great deals, check the description below. And remember, staying hydrated is key, so look for the Oala water bottle link there too.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.